Today, we're going to be talking about stacking platinum, a valuable investment strategy that's often overlooked. Platinum is a precious metal that's rarer than gold, and has a variety of industrial and medical applications. So if you're looking for a way to diversify your investment portfolio, platinum might be a great option for you. In this video, I'll be sharing some tips on how to stack platinum, the benefits of this investment strategy, and some things to keep in mind when getting started. If you decide that platinum is a metal that you'd like to stack, I will have a challenge for you later in this video. First things first, what exactly does stacking platinum mean? Essentially, it's the process of accumulating physical platinum bullions, bars, or coins over time with the goal of building a valuable collection that can appreciate in value over the years. The idea is to buy platinum when it's cheap and then sell it when the price increases, thereby making a profit. Now you might be wondering why you should bother with stacking platinum in the first place. Well, for starters, platinum has historically held its value quite well. It has even outperformed gold in some cases. It is also a great way to diversify your portfolio, and it's not subject to the same market forces as stock, bonds, gold, or silver. Plus, if you're a collector, stacking platinum can be a fun and rewarding hobby. Platinum's price is tied to the industrial use, so when the economy is bad, like it is now, platinum is relatively cheap. When the economy recovers, the price of platinum goes up. If you're already stacking gold and silver, platinum offers a great way to take advantage of the weak economy, something the other two metals don't really do. So how do you get started with stacking platinum? Here are some tips to keep in mind. Buy from a reputable dealer. It is important to do your research and make sure that you're buying from a trusted source. Look for dealers who have a solid reputation in the industry. Also, consider the premium. Platinum bullions and coins come with a premium over the spot price of platinum. This premium can vary depending on the type of product you're buying, so be sure to factor it into your purchasing decision. Also, think about storage. Since platinum is a physical asset, you'll need to have a plan for storing it securely. Some people prefer to keep their platinum in a safe at home, while others opt for off-site storage options like a bank safe deposit box or a private vault. Platinum is the densest of precious metals, so it takes less space to store than silver or gold. Platinum should sell for a higher price than gold because it is 15 times rarer, and unlike gold, it is consumed by its industrial applications in its medical and automotive uses. Right now, platinum is selling at half the price of gold, making it a great time to get started stacking this metal. Keep an eye on the market trends and news to help inform you on buying and selling decisions. If you've decided that you want to stack platinum, I invite you to join us on this channel with this challenge. Set a goal to stack 100 pieces of platinum. It doesn't matter the size of each piece, the idea is to get a good stack of it so that when the prices go up, you can either sell it for profit or trade it for other precious metals like silver or gold that might be at a low point in their price cycle at that moment. For example, gold usually does poorly when the economy is booming because investors will prefer to have their assets assigned to stock markets or other income-generating instruments and securities. As of today, on March 28, 2023, I'm starting with 10 pieces of platinum, so I have 90 to go. To join the challenge, all you have to do is to leave a comment and let us know where you're at right now. Don't forget to subscribe to get the updates on the challenge. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. Have fun stacking, and I will see you on the next video.